Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week's tip is what's the value to the audience? You know, we'd all like to have an expose written about us or a segment on 60 Minutes just about us and our brand, but that's not as likely to happen. We're more likely going to be linked to our website, have a quote that we provided because of our expertise. And when you do that, when you're pitching the media, I want you to think of who the audience is and what's the value to them. Every television program, every magazine, newspaper, anything in the media, radio show, podcast, they have a demographic. Who is that demographic? And how can you provide value to them? And again, it's all about doing your homework. If you've been following me for a while, you know I say this all the time, but do your homework and you will be light years ahead of anybody else who's pitching the media. So that is this week's tip. I would love for you to join us in the free PR challenge where I give you 10 days worth of amazing tips, exercises, ways to get massive visibility. So it's at yourprchallenge.com. It's completely free and I can't wait to see you there.